Welcome to our YouTube channel and heartiest greetings from Technovision Academy's Advanced Electrical Engineering Training and Research Institute for all types of power industry trainings on a single platform. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you like the contents and to get the updates of advancements in power sector technologies and useful training courses for power industry engineers, students, professionals, consultants, universities and research labs. Today we are going to see some common applications of IoT devices in electrical systems. Smart grid monitoring and control. IoT devices enable real-time monitoring of electrical grids, collecting data on voltage levels, current flow, power quality, and equipment health. This data can be used for efficient grid management, load balancing, and preventive maintenance. Energy management and optimization. IoT devices allow for remote monitoring and control of energy consumption in buildings, homes, and industrial facilities. Smart meters, sensors, and actuators enable energy optimization, demand response, and the integration of renewable energy sources. Condition monitoring and predictive maintenance. IoT sensors can be deployed in electrical equipment such as transformers, motors, and generators to monitor operating parameters, detect anomalies, and predict potential failures. This enables proactive maintenance, reduces downtime, and enhances equipment reliability. Smart lighting systems. IoT-based lighting systems use sensors to detect occupancy, ambient light levels, and user preferences. This allows for automated lighting control, energy efficiency, and personalized lighting experiences. Electrical safety monitoring. IoT devices can monitor electrical parameters such as current, voltage, and temperature in real time. They provide alerts and notifications in case of abnormalities or hazardous conditions, enhancing electrical safety. Asset tracking and inventory management. IoT devices can be used to track and manage electrical assets such as transformers, switchgear, and cables. They provide real-time location information, maintenance history, and inventory management capabilities. Energy consumption visualization and analytics. IoT-enabled dashboards and analytics platforms provide insights into energy consumption patterns, helping users understand their usage habits, identify energy-saving opportunities, and make informed decisions. Renewable energy integration and management. IoT devices facilitate the integration and management of renewable energy sources such as solar panels and wind turbines. They enable monitoring, control, and optimization of renewable energy generation and storage systems. Demand response and load management. IoT devices enable demand response programs by automatically adjusting power consumption based on demand and grid conditions. They allow for load shedding, load shifting, and participation in demand-side management programs. Power quality monitoring. IoT devices can monitor power quality parameters such as voltage sags, swells, harmonics, and flicker. They help identify and mitigate power quality issues, ensuring reliable and efficient electrical supply. Electric vehicle charging infrastructure. IoT-based charging stations enable remote monitoring, control, and billing of electric vehicle charging. They provide integration with smart grids, load management capabilities, and user authentication. Electrical fire detection and prevention. IoT sensors can detect abnormal heat signatures, smoke, or other signs of electrical fire hazards. They trigger alarms, notify authorities, and help prevent potential electrical fires. Remote control and automation. IoT devices allow for remote control and automation of electrical systems, enabling users to operate and monitor devices from anywhere using smartphones or other devices. Power distribution monitoring. IoT sensors can monitor power distribution equipment such as transformers and switchgear. They provide real-time data on load levels, temperature, and fault detection, facilitating efficient distribution management. Energy efficiency and sustainability. IoT devices enable energy-efficient practices by providing insights into energy consumption patterns, identifying energy waste, and promoting sustainable behaviors through real-time feedback and recommendations. You are most welcome to join with us for our various basic and advanced training courses at an affordable prices. You can send us WhatsApp message on +91 78210 53891 or email us on info@technovisionacademy.in to course coordinator, Technovision Academy. For more information about our services, please visit our website on www.technovisionacademy.in. Thanks for watching the video and becoming member of our YouTube channel.